Hello, good people, and welcome to the world of Cogworks AI, where this is the first episode where I actually thought I'd show you how I do my job. I started this company to just make sure that I could custom make tools for clients that wanted like a particular set of help. And yesterday, I had a really good conversation with a guy called Christopher, and I thought I'd show you a little thing that I wanted to show him, something about how I do my work. So let's dive into that. All right, cool. So what we are watching now is that I wanted to get the sound from those Facebook messages. I wanted to make like a transcript of them. I can throw them into Whisper AI. So, and then I use Make. This is very comfortable of like if you want to do a lot of things at the same time. And this is the man who wanted the assignment. So I'm copying his email and I'm putting his email into the last module in Make. And I put his name in a second one because I also always wanted to send one safety email to myself. And I have chosen the content of what to go through. And there's a webhook in the beginning that is going to answer to a Python script I'm going to show you in a second. So I'm going through this just to show you where the Python script is. And what this does is that I have a folder that I'm in here right now that is actually transferring directly from my computer and starting that webhook that is in Make. So if I press that run once and I let it run, and then I am going to start the script to begin with. And so that's running. And then I'm going to go into the Finder, and I'm going to copy the script that I had from taken out from the video previously. So let's copy that and let's paste that into that folder and just see what happens. So now we're looking at Make. The scenario starting, and I send it through ChatGPT, and what that does is takes the transcription and put it into keywords and some phrases that can like stop it from being a big blob of text and instead becoming just a few keywords with some explanations that is going to go out into that email. And there's also Google Docs where I save the entire thing so I can check it, so I can like tweak it multiple times before I send it out to clients. So we've seen that it's sent it away, and now here's an email that I got. The original blob of text has become just in key points and bullet points, and that has been sent out to my client in just a few minutes. So that's it for today. Peace out as long. That's in Swedish. Oh my God. What am I doing? It's the Gen X click. Bye.